You will need scissors, a stapler, elastic hair ties or rubber bands will do, and training puppy pads. The first thing that you're going to do is separate the plastic from the puppy pad. It's very easy to do. Keep the cloth mesh. Do not take it off. It gives the whole piece structure. But you will need to cut the mesh off. This is where the scissors are needed. It's very easy to do. Be sure to do it on all sides. Next, you're going to take the mask and measure your face and make sure it fits. Then you're going to cut it to the size that fits your face. In this instance, we are just cutting it in half to make it 6 pieces. Because you can make up to 6 masks depending on the size of your face. Be sure it is wide enough. Too short and it will be too tight. Too long and it will end up too loose. Then take one piece at a time and fold like an accordion, about a ½ an inch or so, and fold it tight. The entire piece, back and forth. Then you're going to loop a hair tie on the end, fold the mask with the loop, and staple shut. Here's where we need the stapler. Then you're going to do the same thing to the other side. And voila, you are done. Just unfold the mask and there you have it. A cheap mask, easy to do at home.